Sup y'all, Domino7 here. Like to welcome y'all to this vlog, you heard me? Alright, so anyway, I would like to do an unboxing. As y'all see at the bottom of y'all screen. Used to be at the top of y'all screen, but not at the bottom of y'all screen. But anyway, I would like to unbox this Lite Brite. How many of y'all remember this as a kid? Lite Brite, Lite Brite, yes indeed. Yeah. Having this steady to have a picture, you know. Yep. So I never thought I'd play with this, you know. Normally I have Magna Doodles and everything else because I love Magna Doodle. Because when I was a kid I asked for a Magna Doodle. My mom bought it for me. Okay. So about to unbox this. I never thought I would have, you know. Somebody dropped this off. Okay. Lite Brite. Yep. One of my childhood things, okay? So here we go. Let's get started. Alright. That was nice of them to buy something like this. So it was normally for Brock, but I don't think Brock will want to play with this. Alright, Lite Brite, Lite Brite. Yeah, I love Lite Brite. You know what? I wish I had Battleship. What is this? Well, side of it, or whatever. Probably used. Look what we got. Yeah, this come with batteries, but it don't come with batteries. And here's a button right here. Compare this to the Battleship, you know. Here's the instructions right here. Okay. I guess this is new. Alright. Look right here. The color pegs. You know, y'all see that? Color pegs. Light bulbs, I should say. And I guess, alright, so let's look at the back of it. Look at the front again. Well, thank my people for buying this for us, you know. Yes indeed. So feel like glass up in here, you know. Yeah, so before 200. These are light bulbs in here. Somebody dropped this on the floor. It's broken. You know, once you drop this whole bag full of this, it's broke. You know. So anyway, thank y'all for watching. Thank my family for buying this. My cousin, she knows she is. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for buying this. Okay, I don't even think Brock gonna want this, but it's mine. If all that, I could buy this for my friend's child, Brooke. You know. So anyway, I don't know if they got this off of eBay, Amazon, or went to Walmart or any kind of toy store, you know, because I haven't heard from this in a long time. Oh well, good thinking. All right, God bless. Thank y'all for watching. All right, bye.